Today we are in Danescourt Lodge in Blackpool on Station Road near the South Pier. I booked a double room. As you can see, it's family room. It's got a bunk bed. View of the outside, back streets, then got this, the bin, tea, coffee. It was quite clean, and even biscuits. And quite a few milks actually, because normally I only get 2 milks in some hotels. Got a wardrobe with some coat hangers. Yeah. Plug sockets. And oh, here you go. So radiator's not working at the moment, but have a heater in the room. No, I can't see no heater. So we have telly and more, which seems to work well. And there's Netflix as well, and Amazon Prime. So yeah, so like smart TV. And then there's the housekeeping policy, welcome, and disinfection. Ooh, roast dinners on a Saturday and a Sunday. Ooh, sounds tasty. Right, colours seem quite puffed. Let's have a look at this bed, shall we? Ooh. Tucks in very well. Yeah, so got a small quilt or mattress protector, and mattress protector over there. Yeah, all clean. Yeah, pillows. Yeah, pillows seem clean. A little light. Yeah, and there's a light up there as well. Mirror, as you can see, and plug sockets. And check the room how it looks. Yeah. And the bathroom is ensuite. And we got a sink. Handy tissues, some body wash, and hair and body wash. 2 there. Yeah, they're all hair and body wash. A plastic cup, some soap, a disposable bag for a woman's needs, I suppose. Some toilet tissues, my freshener, a towel. There's one. Oh, another one there. Shower. proper clean. That just looks rusting. Don't look mouldy. Just looks rusty. Yeah. And of course, bath towels, towel holder. I presume there used to be a shelf there, but there isn't now. And please do not flush. Wi-Fi password and direction and where your assembly point is. And there's your radiator. But yeah, so this is the Danescourt Lodge in Blackpool. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you.